now that COVID-19 has happened, now that we have seen this as a critical junction, a critical way of disrupting some of the narrative, disrupting some of the discourses, are we likely to see a different kind of imaginary? We start asking, how would they change? What are the reasoning that would come to us this change? And how would we ensure some kind of inclusion in the process of that change and pushing towards that change? And when you think about the kind of change in terms of the imaginary that would come beyond COVID-19, you start asking yourself, well, what are the discourses? What are the kind of, are we going to move from thinking about technology is the only way to development, or are we going to open up different development pathways? Are we going to think about, well, this whole question about urban and digital cities is something that is not fully developed, or do we need to think about it in a different context? So this, the hows, the whom, the whys of these imaginaries of smart cities and looking into the future, then brings a very important question. How are we managing transformations? How have we been managing transformations? How do we govern transformations? How do we build resilience when it comes to changes, when something that has happened and it's leading us to change?